Jai to all. We have studied about India-France relations, but sometimes they may ask about India-France partnership, especially from the defense point of view. So let us see some important developments in the Indian-France partnership. So first of all, in the year 2023, we are celebrating 25 years of strategic partnership with France. We have developed a close and dynamic relationship based on the shared value and commitment to promoting peace, security, and sustainable development. So overall, we have achieved the great heights when it's talk to the partnership with the France. So what are the major key areas of cooperation? First is defense. This is the very important. France is the second largest defense supplier to India from 2017 to 2021. Many crucial defense deals have been signed between the two countries, and there have been increase in the military to military engagement of both countries. For example, the first defense deal is the induction of French Scorpion conventional submarine that has been inducted in India, that has been being built in India under the technology transfer agreement that was signed in 2005. Okay. IAF is also having received 36 Rafale fighter aircraft jets from France. So this is the two most important. The first is submarine, the second is fighter jet aircraft, and the third one is Tata Group has also tied up with the Airbus to manufacture C-295 tactical transport aircraft that is being built in Vadodara. Okay, so transport aircraft we are making. We have received the Rafale fighter aircraft, and we are inducting French submarine Scorpion. All the three important all the three are important aspects of our military. The next is we are having joint exercise with French, like Varuna of Navy, Garuda of Air Force, and Shakti of Army. So this was about military, and second is economically. The annual trade, the business of annual trade, $12.42 billion in the financial year 2021 to 22 with the France. Okay, that we have done. And also the France is the 11th largest foreign investor in India, which gives a great bump to the FDI inflows in India. So this was the economic and also civil nuclear cooperation. From point of view, India has signed a civil nuclear deal with France, and also France helps India. France limits India's isolation when it's come in the talk of non-proliferation treaty. India have not signed the NPF, and it is getting stress from all over the world, but France helps India in these cases. France also support India's bid for permanent membership of the United Nations Security Council and for getting the membership of nuclear supplier group. Both the countries are very concerned about the climate change. They have done Paris Agreement, and they have also launched International Solar Alliance 2015. Sorry, social. Also maritime ties. India and France have joint patrolling in the Indian Ocean. Both the countries know the burgeoning China's impact in the Indo-Pacific region, and the China's BRI and all this its policies. So they want that Indo-Pacific region should be a free, fair, and open place where everybody could business, everybody could pass easily. India-France UA trilateral initiative is aimed at ensuring maritime awareness from east coast of Africa to far Pacific. Okay. Also the space ties. So we have we seen maritime ties, civil ties, economic, military, and now the space ties. Our ISRO and CNES, the National Space Agency of France, and ISRO have jointly working in some groups for getting some common achievements in the name of space. Also, there are many joint Mars missions have been planned in nearby future. Space debris is a biggest concern of the worldwide, but both the countries are collaborating to counter the space debris. They have also planned of joint Earth observation mission. So we have seen many fields in which both the countries are doing very well, but there are uh, some challenges also in their relations. Despite a very good friendly country, a very good progress everywhere, but still the both countries haven't signed the free trade agreement. So there is an absence of free trade agreement. They may sign it in the nearby future, but they haven't signed it yet. Second, the defense policy. Our India has also maintained a neutral policy and non-aligned policy. We focus on neighborhood first policy and non-aligned policy. Sometimes it get clash with the French policy, which is global interest. Due to the circumstances, situations, French has to stand up with European Union and their policies. But we are very excellent. We have uh, very focused on our neutral policy, like in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. We have stand at our place. Okay, and further some way forwards, we have to increase more trade and investment. Actually, the import and export ratio between India and Russia is not same. Okay, we export more, we import more from Russia, we import more from France, but we export less to the France. Okay, so this ratio must be same in order to have a good trade between the both countries. We have to cooperate more in the defense sector. There must be cultural exchanges. The more the cultural exchanges, the more the feeling of oneness could occur between them. So there will be a youth exchange programs and student exchange. Their cultural and cultural and ethnic their heritages. All these things must be exchanged between both the countries so that they could get the feeling of oneness. Second, the climate change the the need of the hour. So both the countries must address the climate change strictly, and their achievement goals must be achieved within the set targets. Also, the scientific and technology cooperation. We are still lagging some behind when it comes to the scientific and technology. There must be some initiatives from India to get more and more technology transfer from the France in this regards. So thank you. This was all over the topic, some of the deals, some of the areas where we and France have collaborated, and after the 25 year of strategic partnership, we have what we have bring in the fields of peace, in the fields of maritime security, in the fields of climate change, sustainable development, what we have today, where we are today, and what we want to achieve. Thank you.